Wow, diving into Python parameters and arguments seems like a fantastic journey. You know, as a voiceover artist speaking to a friend, I can see this topic in my mind like trying to learn a language where every word counts just as in scripting. So, let's start unraveling the mysteries of parameters and arguments in Python. Picture this, you are in a cozy cafe typing away on your laptop, and the topic just hit you. Hey, you remember how in programming, when functions play nice, they really like to share? Yeah, like a cafe recipe that you can pass ingredients to and modify. That's where parameters and arguments come in. Python uses them, and I find it pretty neat. Imagine you want to whip up a function that makes lattes with different syrups. You pick your base coffee, but you want a chance to add your kick to the flavor, right? Parameters let you add that personal touch. Consider a simple function in Python that accepts a person's name and age. It could look something like this: Python definite greet_person, print so. When you call greet_person, alias and 30 are the parameters here, and Python graciously lets you pass these as inputs when you invoke the function. It's like giving the function the ingredients to make a perfect personalized greeting. Now, arguments, they are the actual inputs you, the programmer, provide that the function uses. If you were to call the greet function with your name and age, you and 28, those would be your arguments. It's that direct handoff of inputs which makes the magic happen, leading to the function actually printing a greeting tailored just for you. Parameters are defined within the function's parentheses, while arguments are those values provided after the function name when calling. Here's another one: Python definite add_numbers, return a plus b. If you call add_numbers, the numbers 12 and 35 are arguments, and the function uses these to calculate the sum. But hey, parameters don't always need to be passed as values. You can also send none as a parameter, right? Python definite print_message, if delay is not none, time.sle print. See how none is set as the default parameter? No delay means the message goes out immediately, but if there's a delay of 3 seconds, it waits quietly, like holding your breath underwater. Python lets you have not just one but many parameters, named and positional. Positional are straightforward. They are simply the values passed in order to the function. Named, they're the cool ones, with meaning like keywords. Python definite create_album, if album_title is none, album_title is equal to new groove. If release_year is none, release_year is equal to datetime.now.year. You have the option of unpacking arguments, too, using the splat operator. This allows you to feed a list or tuple directly as arguments. Python is flexible like that. Python songs is equal to create_album, unpacks the list into arguments. Now let's talk about scope. The name of a variable and its value can live inside functions as if they were private thoughts, local scope, or outside, in the wide Python world, as well as nesting inside each other like Matryoshka dolls, global scope. It's all about creating boundaries or sharing, depending on the context. Python x is equal to 10 number global scope definite my_function, x is equal to 3 number local scope, and, just when you thought it couldn't get any more complex, we've got keyword arguments. This is the fancy way to pass parameters, making the code more readable, kinda like a dictionary that knows how to organize itself. Python definite create_profile. Now, you've been introduced to the vast world of parameters and arguments in Python. It's a language dance where every move counts, where you can create functions in your own unique way. The possibilities are endless, From tweaking a function just for that extra spice to sharing values that fit together smoothly. Python really loves to adapt and customize. I bet after learning about these, you are itching to jump right in and start cooking up your own functions to share with me, don't you think? Now, remember, if you want to keep up the conversation on all things Python, you can visit Neeraj's little slice of the internet at qzz.io. Give him a subscribe like this one, and keep the coding chatter flowing.